Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here in my home garage telling you about some of my favorite products. So today we're talking about the new Eastwood lighting system. So this is a work light system that we put together to kind of cover everything that you would need to do when working on a car. So it does come with, this is basically the base light, and it has a magnetic base on it that you can stick wherever. So it'll fit, obviously under a car here or under my lift. You can stick it underneath of a car when you're working, on the side of a car, on a workbench. It's really great. It has a high and low setting. It works for about 8 hours on the low setting. It is rechargeable, obviously. So on the low setting, it works for 8 hours. On the high setting, an hour and a half you can get. Now the really cool thing that I like about this is the feature that I'm going to show off today, is it comes with a tripod if you buy the full system, and you can mount, as standard, up to 3 lights. Now a little hack, you can, because it's magnetic, you can mount more lights on the light bar, like so. But as standard, you can mount up to 3 lights on here. And what's really cool is, depending how you mount the lights, you can turn them different ways so you can get the light exactly how you need. Now, kind of the standard use for these is that you would turn the lights so you can aim them out in a work area, like if you're working outside in the driveway, on the trail, if you're doing off-roading. But what I like to do is, and this is a problem, any of you guys that have worked under lifts, I don't care how good the lighting is in your shop, when you're underneath of a car, all that goes away, and there's always dark spots. If you're trying to weld, if you're trying to just do general maintenance under a lift, it really stinks because you can't see what you're working on. You have to try and get a work light up in there, jam it up in there, and it ends up falling. You're tripping over cords. So this has really been a lifesaver for me when working underneath of the lift. So the way I have this set up here is I have these 2 lights set up, and we can turn these on to the high setting here, like so. So that's the 2. We can really light up underneath of the car so I can see exactly where I'm working. Now the thing that I really like is I turn the other light here so it's facing the opposite way. And I'm going to step so I don't blind myself on the high setting. And you can angle this so we can get some light set right underneath of the car here, and we can light up the whole underside down the center, and I can even be working out towards the front of the car and I have a ton of light there. So that's a really nice function. Now if you want to work, like I said, on the 8 hours, you can turn this on the low. It's really quick and simple. I'll do all 3 of them. So you hold the button in, it's going to blink, and then it's going to slowly dim, which you can let off whenever, or when it blinks again, you let off. That's the low setting. So we're going to do all 3 of these so you guys can see what the low is. So we're going down there, we're on low, turn the 3rd one, all the way down, and we are on low now. So this is what you're going to get 8 hours of light doing by turning those buttons like that. So now I can still see pretty darn good by working like that with it on low. If you need an extra light, again, they're stackable, they're magnetic, so I can take this extra light here, turn this on, and I can put it underneath of the car, like so, if I need to turn it, and I can work right in the area that I need. So I like to have the 3 that I keep on the tripod on the underhood bar, and then I like to keep 1 or 2 of these separate so I can kind of place them wherever I need, and I can have light no matter what. Doesn't matter if you have these kind of set up with a few of them extra, you can kind of stack them however you want. It works really well. So it's really nice, especially when I'm doing TIG welding underneath of a car. I need to be able to see to start my weld, and if there's a dark area, you're not going to get a good start on your weld. You may stick the tungsten. Really frustrating. So by having these lights, I can aim them right in the area where I'm doing some welding, and I don't have any problems at all. So you can find more about these lights by visiting eastwood.com. You can type in lighting system. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can click the link down below and you can learn more about them, and you can also purchase them. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you later.